Okay, let's try to read these numbers. Wow, it is large numbers and it looks very confusing, but don't panic, you can read it. What's up, Kim Sam here, and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you informative lessons twice a week. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You will get massive value from my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down large Sino-Korean numbers. Large Korean numbers made many learners around the world confused and frustrated, and I've been asked to explain it from my subscribers several times, so I'm here to help you out. I already covered how to read Sino-Korean numbers from 0 to 99 in the previous video. If you missed the one, push the card link above to learn it and come back here. Let's dive into it right now. We are starting from 100. Sino-Korean numbers 100 is 100. If it is 100, we don't say 100, we just say 100. 200 is 200. 300, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You get the idea. And 1000 is 1000. We don't say 1000 if it is 1000, just say 1000. 2000 is 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Good. Now we're trying to read these numbers. There are 4 digits, so we're starting from 8000, 8000, 400, 400, and here is 0. When you see 0, you can just skip it. And number 2, E. So we read it all together, 8402. It seems like the same concept as reading numbers in English so far, but it is gonna be a bit different. Sino-Korean number 10,000 is 1만 or 만. It's not 10,000. Nope. We read it 1만 or 만. When you read large numbers in English, the numbers are separated into groups of 3 digits, and people use decimal point to separate them for ease of reading numbers. This form helps people who speak English or some other language to read large numbers, but this format is not helpful to read numbers in Korean. Frankly speaking, it is terrible to read numbers in Korean because Korean numbers are separated into groups of 4 digits, not 3, 4 digits. Okay, so my suggestion is this. When you see the large numbers that have decimal point, remove the point from the numbers. Ignore them. That is the first thing you have to do to read the numbers in Korean. And draw a box surrounding 4 digits from the right, then draw another box surrounding next 4 digits. Do you understand what I'm doing? I'm separating the numbers into the groups of 4 digits. Now we can see 2 groups, and the name of the box on the left is man box, right? So just try to read the 4-digit numbers and put the box name man. Okay, let's try to read these numbers. Don't be afraid, you can do that. The number in the right box are all zeros, so we skip them. We can just read the numbers in the left box. Man box. 9,000, 9,800, 800, 70, 70, and 6. 6. 9,876. And put the box name 만. 9,876만. Okay, let's try it much greater numbers. I'm introducing another box that is called 억. The box also has 4 digits in it. You can just read 4 digits and put the box name 억. So there's number 1 in the box, 1, and the box name 억, 1억. And there's a 10 in the box, 10, and the box name 억, 10억. And 100 in the box, 100, and the box name 억, 100억. And 1,000, 1,000, and 억, 1,000억. Can you understand it? Okay, let's try to read these numbers. Wow, it is large numbers and it looks very confusing, but don't panic, you can read it. First, remove the rubbish, decimal point. Second, draw boxes surrounding every 4 digit. Looks better. The box name on the left, 억, and the middle one is 만, and no name on the right. And we are going to read the numbers in the 억 box. 5,000, 5,000, 600, 600, 70, 70, 8, 8, and the box name is 억, 5,678억. And the box in the middle, 1,000, 1,000, 200, 200, and 0. We skip it. And 1, 1. And the box name is 만, 1,201만. And the box on the right, 4,000, 4,000, 200, 200, 30, 30, and 9. 4,239. And we make space between boxes. 5,678억, 1,201만, 4,239. Finally, we read these great numbers. I don't think you have many chance to read greater number than the 억 box. If you see it, just in case, you can just put 조 box for 4 digit. And the greater numbers than 조 box is 경. The way to read is the same. Just to read 4 digit and put the box name. Well done guys, you did your good job. We have been learning Sino-Korean numbers from the previous video. Actually, I prepared more lectures, more examples, and counting units as well. But if I do that, this video will be too long. I think I should make another video for that. Question of the day. Try to read these numbers in Korean in the comment section below. 감사합니다. 안녕!